Lekha, Department of Chemistry. Now I am going to take about on the topics of the water quality parameters. Water is the most important compounds for the existence of human beings, animals, plants. Water is used for the agricultural, industrial and domestic purposes. About 80% of the earth's surface is occupied by water. Even though there is a huge amount of water resources, available sources of fresh water of good quality is limited. The minerals present in the topsoils are dissolved by rainwater. This water enters into the water bodies and gets polluted. This is because almost all the compounds are dissolved in water. In industries, water is used as a heat transfer fluids in heat exchange system. The generation of systems in boilers, solvents in chemical industries, processing and washing liquid in paper and textile industries. Water is also needed to support the need of both agricultural and wetlands. Water is vital for domestic purpose such as drinking, preparing food, bathing, washing clothes and dishes, etc. And here are some of the sources of the waters. There are the two main sources of waters are as surface water. Rainwater is the purest form of water. It is obtained by the evaporation of surface water, but when it reaches the earth's surface through atmosphere, it dissolves a considerable amount of industrial gases like CO2, SO2, NO2, etc. and suspended solid particles. River water contains of rain and spring water. Water from these sources flow over from the surface of land and dissolves the soluble minerals present in the soil. River water contains the minerals of soil such as chlorides, sulfates, bicarbonates of sodium, calcium, magnesium and iron and some organic matters. Lake water contains less amount of dissolved minerals but the quality of organic matter is very high. Whenever the sea water is the highest impure form of water, major sources of water, seawater is river water which consists of dissolved and suspended impurities. Due to the continuous evaporation, the sea water becomes more saline. Underground water. Underground water is clear in appearance due to filtering action of the soil. A part of rainwater percolates into the air and earth dissolves the soluble salt present in the soil. So the underground water contains higher dissolved salts. Example, spring water and well water. We know that surface and underground water is used for domestic and industrial purpose, so the water should be free from unwanted impurities and harmful bacteria. Types of impurities in water. The impurities present in the water are broadly classified into three types of waters are as physical impurities. They are classified into two types. Suspended impurities, they are sand, oil, droplets, vegetables and animal matters which causes turbidity in water. Colloidal impurities, they are finely divided silica, clay and organic waste products which impart color, odor and taste to water. Chemical impurities are classified into two types. Dissolved salts, they are bicarbonates, sulfates and chlorides of calcium and magnesium carbonates and bicarbonates of sodium and potassium. Dissolved magnesium and calcium salts in water causes hardness, whereas alkali salts, bicarbonates and carbonates of potassium and sodium, bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium makes the water alkaline. So whenever the dissolved gases are O2, CO2, H2S, SO2, NO2, C, etc., which makes the water acidity. So they are accelerate the rate of corrosions. Whenever they have this expeditious wind to feel discomfort. Biological impurities. Whenever the biological impurities which has the more dissolved oxygen which makes the water acidity, so they accelerate the rate of corrosions. Whenever the corrosion may causes the related to these impurities which would have the sulfates of chloride and calcium magnesium, carbonates of bicarbonates, sodium, potassium, dissolved magnesium and salts which causes hardness. So this is the dissolved gas formation when this water has O2, CO2, H2S, SO2, NO2, CO, etc., which makes the water acidity and the rate of the corrosion. Thank you.